Welcome to this video on how to set up miscellaneous charge codes. Miscellaneous charge codes are used to charge items to a repair order or a service estimate from a given location. To create a miscellaneous charge code, go to MISC Charge Masters in the app launcher and click New. Provide a unique code and description. The transaction type of the MISC charge code needs to be set to service repair order in order to have it available to apply to service job lines. You can select all the transaction types that apply. You can select more than one pay type to be made available. There's customer pay, warranty pay, and internal pay. The combination of transaction type and pay type will limit the ability to add these MISC charges to a job line. Miscellaneous charges are applied when a standard operation code includes labor or part-based charges. Only a single base charge can be applied at once. Options include labor sale, labor cost, part sale, part cost, and quantity. If a percentage-based amount is entered, the charges created will be based on it, up to the maximum charge if specified. The flat amount will be ignored if a percentage-based charge is specified. Choose a sales account to record the transaction in your accounting system. You can select the taxable checkbox to make miscellaneous charge codes taxable. Sales tax rates are controlled by the location. Check Active to make it available and click Save. To make our miscellaneous charge available in a service repair order, first it must be enabled in your location. Navigate to your location through the app launcher and go to the MISC Charge Codes tab. Find your charge code and click Add. You can review your settings and click Save. Now you can go to a service repair order and create a job line. Select the standard operation code and make sure the labor type selected matches the pay type specified in your MISC charge code. Finally, go to the MISC tab, select your miscellaneous charge code, and click Save. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.